what I have here today, not yesterday, not tomorrow, but today, Sunday, October 13th, 2024. It's another Bun Special video, written, directed, edited by Bun Special, graphics by Bun Special, sound by Bun Special, handcrafted fine ingredients, sound effects by Bun Special. This video is performed by an amateur. Do not attempt at home. No watchers were harmed in the making of this video. Ha! For entertainment only. We got that out of the way. Okay. Oh, this is what, I was in the grocery store, and I always used to see these little condiment containers. And they were actually selling them in the grocery store. So I think, man, these are great for putting watch movements in. So I bought a whole, you buy a package of 12 or something, so that's where I put some of these watch movements without cases. Well, maybe it's because, maybe airtight is not the way to go, because, I don't know. But it protects it from the dust. And then, of course, how do we can get it out? Oh, it's running now. Oh, it was running. Oh, there it goes. I didn't want it to run, but I forced it to. Oh, how do I get it out, though? That's the thing I haven't perfected. How do you get them out? How do I get it out? I gotta do it upside down. Anyway, and then I have my juice cap to keep the movement elevated, I guess. Alright, so it's resting, not on the well, whatever. Wait, protect the balance. I don't know what I'm talking about. It holds it up. I should clean this better. Some crud in there. I have to clean that out. Let's see. Oh man, I just had lunch. Oh wait, I didn't show you the watch. The standard. I'm still wearing this this Casio quartz job that I pulled out of the garbage can at work. I'm gonna wear it till the battery dies. It's been a couple of years now. I don't know how long the battery's supposed to last. Keeps good time. I'm trying to. How come I can't slide this out? What am I doing wrong? Oh, I got this movement, which they hear now. I didn't realize it. What's it called? It's a Myers. These things sell for a lot of money now, I see. You can't even read it. How come it's not focusing? Son of a bitch, why don't you focus? There you go. A Myers. I think I talked about it. I got the movement. But it's, I don't know what size this is. I forget anyway. So here's this. This is the Swiss movement. Oh, what's special about this movement? Let's see if I can I hold it without smashing the hands? Oh, this thing came out. Oh, profanity. Anyway, let's see if I can do it without smashing the hands. I'm not used to this movement. I don't use this movement holder. I don't use this movement holder as much as the other one, but I'm going to start to use. Okay, all our hands are good. Anyway, oh, I can zoom in now. Let's see, get it closer. I gotta adjust this. There you go. What's special about this one? Oh, it's a pivoted detent movement. Let's see if I can get it. Whoops. So, pivoted detent. Oh, I got it. Everything's on top of everything else. Everything is always on top of everything else. If it's not on top of something, if I don't have to dig and search for things. They're not located properly. I have a tendency of not wanting to lose. See, I got my brass tweezers, and I don't want to lose the plastic cover and stuff, so I have to put it back in. Anyway, let me put this so it springs. Okay, so anyway, spring detented. What did I say? Oh, pivoted detent. That's it. There's the pivoted part, and the detent is in there, and then it's got a escape wheel that looks like whatever. Yeah, I had my eye on one of these things for months, and they're expensive, except for this one for some reason. This one I put a bid in, and it went for like half my bid, and I don't bid that much. So I figured there's something wrong with this that I didn't see. One thing I expect from these early Swiss movements is they only support the mainspring assembly by just one part of the arbor. You know, they don't do it at both ends, they just do it at this top end. So the barrel's maybe a little wobbly in there. I just noticed now these screws, these two screws are the same, these two screws up here are different. I just noticed that. Yeah, so it's been futzed with. But everything else looks pretty good. It's got caps on the pivoted detent and the escape wheel. It's probably not the best quality movement, but I don't know if it's the worst. Anyway, so I'm going to take this apart. Oh God, let's see what we can do. What do I want to take off first? I wanted to do the hands first, but since I already have it here in the holder, I might as well take off the balance. Okay. Screwdriver time. Oh man, I gotta lean over because the camera gets the best seat in the house. I don't like to dangle my balance for some reason. So maybe if I can, maybe I'll have to dangle it because I can't get it unscrewed. Let's see. Oh, it just doesn't want to. Yeah, it just doesn't want to turn. Damn. It just doesn't want to turn. That's the problem you get with these old movements. I got this freaking fuzz hanging off my screwdriver. I have to get my, what do they call that? Pith. I have some pith. I have to get that out. I have to find it. Okay. See, the screwdriver wasn't sharp enough. Does this move? Really, I should let down the mainspring. Yeah, let's let down this. It ran down, but I'm gonna have to let down the mainspring just in case. Damn, I'm hitting stuff. It's tight in here. Oh, I gotta get the keys. I didn't bring out the keys. Oh, where are the keys? Let's see if I can do this. Looks like it's key. Oh, I thought it was key number 7. Damn it, I'm hitting stuff. Come on, get the hell out of my way. I'm banging my elbow on this stuff and it annoys the crap out of me. Oh, let's see if I can do this. Oh, it's gonna rotate. Yeah, there was about a half a rotation left on the barrel. Let me put the keys down. Okay, now I can do it, so I don't have to worry about. Because I know with the marine chronometers. Let's see if you can see some wobble in this. Anyway, I'm always banging into stuff. Oh, I gotta screw the screw more. I just don't like to dangle my hairsprings. Oh, I got to probably take the screw all the way out. Damn it. I'm not elevating enough. Oops. Yeah, okay. I just don't like dangling my hairsprings. I got more fuzz hanging on my screwdriver. I keep on banging my elbow into crap. I gotta clean this place up. I need a bigger screwdriver. I think I'm gonna need a bigger screwdriver. Let's see, who knows when this was taken apart last. I got my bottom of the plastic water bottles to hold my parts. Let's see, what does that screw look like? Let's see. I got no room. Let's see what it does. Is there a pry point? Oh yeah, wow, they did a pry point underneath. I'm like sticking to stuff. See, it stuck to something, it picked it up, and then it fell to the floor. Oh, what a pain. Maybe because it's a pain because I'm not doing it right. Hitting my elbow again on stuff. There you go. I'm going to flip this over. I don't know. I see some dings on the bottom of that balance cock. Oh, damn it. I dropped it. Is the screw still in there? Yeah. Oh, I put it upside down. Yeah, some dings on the bottom of the... Come on. The screwdriver snags onto the plastic. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay. And what does the bottom look like? Let me look at the bottom. Damn it, and I keep on banging my elbow into shit. Piss me off. How does that look? Wow, it's like a miniature marine chronometer. Wow. I don't know, pivots look pretty good. Oh, that's what it is. Miniature marine chronometer. Let's see, what's next? Oh, we can see everything then. Well, first I'm taking one of these apart. Oh, let me put on the other magnification so I just take a look at this. Oh, wow. Let me take another look. Interesting. Very nice. Okay. Well, I want to take the hands and dial off now. Let's see, I want to support this. Okay, there you go. Oh, hand puller. Hand puller, hand puller, hand puller. Hand puller. Which one should I use? I'm going to use the squeeze one. Always a piece of plastic. Oh, man. Like I said, I just had lunch. It was some sort of Progresso bean soup or something. I forget. 19 grams of protein, it said. There's my squeeze one. This looks like an old one. Oh, they came off. No problem. The plastic, man, I saw someone do that in a video. The plastic over the hands when you pull off. I was like, that is great. Because otherwise, they used to shoot out all over the place because they were stuck on. But then the plastic, that's like a game changer, as they say. Just opened up a whole new world of possibilities. And then I have these. I use these for hairspring. These are my hairspring collet removers, but I use them for second hands. Because I know I filed the tips thin. So I know I can get underneath the close ones. You just got to lift up with even pressure. Because if you go up crooked, snap goes to pivot. Let's see, is the pivot still there? Yeah, the pivot's still there. Good. Okay, now I flip it back over. Dial's got some damage. Please refocus. Yeah, got some damage here. They repaired it. Do I care about that? Not really. I'm like a movement. I'm into the movements. That's what I like, is the movements. That's what gets the motor running. The movement. Where'd the other screwdriver go? There it is. No, where is it? Oh, that's up here. Oh, I want to take the dial off. This one's got screws, like a wristwatch, sort of. 2 screws, one here, one there. The screw head's got a cutout in it, so you just got to rotate it. Rotate the screw. Oh man, that one doesn't want to go. What about this one? Oh yeah, that one fights. Rotate the screw to the cutout is where that pin is, and the pin can now clear out from the screw. I can see it better on this side because I'm sitting down. Oh man, that just doesn't want to move. Oh wait, there it goes. Oh man, that is tight. See, what I like about this movement holder, it kind of holds the movement from flipping up. Wow, these people were thinking when they did this one. No wonder this is a desirable movement holder. A little bit more. Let's see what's underneath the dial. Let's see if that was enough. And then it's got a squeeze thing here, quick release. So you just push the button in and you can just slide it out like that. Look at that's freaking genius. Just freaking genius. Trying to take it off. This one doesn't want to come off. Oh, I have to move it. Damn it, I'm not over enough. Because I'm using only 3x. Normally I used 5x. There you go. See, when I work on the watches, I use 5x and 10x. But when I make a video, the 5x, I just have to get real close. This is the 5X I use right here. It's all dented. Falls out of my eye, and it hits the ground, and it gets dented. As long as the glass doesn't break, or the lens. Okay, so there's the movement. I mean, there's the dial at the back. It looks okay. 2 feet. It's got 2 feet. 3 feet are too expensive. You don't need 3 feet. That's why they only gave it 2. Oh, let's see what it looks like underneath the dial now. See? Oh, man, see? They removed the Geneva stop stuff, which I expected to be gone. Oh, those are all the, for the, cap jewels for the pivots here. Is that cap jewels? Yeah, that's cap jewels. 3 cap jewels. Oh, balance staff, pivoted detent, and the escape wheel. Look at that, U-shaped. What is this? I don't know what that is. What's that? Hour wheel, minute wheel, no little washer thing. I'm disappointed that they removed the Geneva. Well, I see something's in here, so maybe it broke off. Well, it wouldn't break off. They broke it off, probably. Oh well. And you see there's no support on the bottom here of the barrel. It's only supported up, so it usually wears the crap. Well, that must be where the dial feet go. Measuring 3 on this plate here. Wow. Well, let's see what happens next. Let's see what happens next. Does this come off nicely? Well, that comes off. That's nice. And I'll also take this off. Oh, it's got a cannon pinion too. Oh, that's tiny, that cannon pinion. I don't know how I'm going to get that off. Does it want to come off? No, I gotta be careful with that. Wow. How does that look up close up? Yeah. I think this cannon pinion is like, it's got a blind hole in it. That's what I think. Well, let's see if we can, that's lunch again. What's that? The ASMR people, I don't think they like it when I burp in my videos. It messes up the flow. Let's see, maybe I can do this. No. Oh, I can't get it underneath. Not without the plastic. No, look at that. I can't maneuver these. I'm going to have to worry about that at a later time. Interesting. Got a serial number too. Okay, let's continue. Oh man. I guess the spring detent is next. Did you see that? No, you didn't see it. Well, maybe I get another container? I got another container. And we got a pry point. Come on. Oh, look at that. It's stuck. Why is it stuck? Okay. Oh, it's stuck because it's probably filthy. I can see some little dings on that too, on the bottom of that. Now my question is, there's a little hairspring on here, so it keeps the jewel into the locked position. Is that preloaded? I wonder if that's preloaded. I know I'm going to be sticking my elbows to crap. And then this stuff is always in the way. Like I say, if it's not in the way, it's not located properly. Let's see, I always like to just to make sure. Oh, that screws unscrews, wow. Oh, it's magnetic. Oop, did it fall off? Where did it fall off? Oh, there, okay, good. It fell off. I was sticking to my screwdriver and I shook it and it fell off into the container. Oh, let's see what we got now. Now let's see what this does. If I lift this up... Oh, this doesn't want to go up nicely. Oh, it doesn't want to go up nicely. Why? Wow, this is... It doesn't want to move. How do I get that off then? I thought it would come right up. Son of a bitch, this is going to be a pain in the ass. It's going to take a lot longer than I thought. This will move. But that doesn't want to move up. Why? Man, that doesn't come up nicely. I thought that would come right out. Wow, what a pain. Oh, come on. How am I going to get that out? Damn it, I keep on hitting my elbow and shit. How am I going to get that out? Whoops, too far over. How am I going to get that out? Oh man, I don't know how I'm going to get that out. It's tight. I don't, damn it. Oh well. Let's continue on. I gotta demagnetize my screwdrivers. And again, there's a pry point. That's too thick. Oh, that's a cheap ass pry point. Doesn't go all the way down. I gotta keep on looking to see if... Wow. Oh, man. I'm just taking my time. Taking my time. And these pivots look good too. Let's keep on moving. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I thought that would come out. That for the spring. But you know, that's that bean soup. You know, I remember when I used to work on the car, there's always one bolt or nut or something that would give you grief. You take everything, all the nuts and bolts off or something, and then there's just one of them. Look at that, it's got... Why does it look like that? That is weird. What is this? Is this the fourth wheel? I can't take that off until I take off the third wheel. Yeah, there's always some screw or nut that gives you grief. Rarely does everything cooperate. I assume those screws are the same. And then you got another pry point. I like it because it has these pry points. That one came off easy. And that one doesn't look... And can I take this one out? I guess this is the third wheel. Oh, that pivot is tiny. That is a tiny pivot. That is real tiny. I gotta take a look at that. Oh, it's all there. That's a short pivot. I could take out the fourth wheel. At least I think I can. Whoops. Exactly what you want to hear. Whoops. Man, do I know how to put this back together? A lot of these look the same. Wow, these look the same. Whoops. That one was for the third wheel, and this one's for the fourth wheel. But damn, they're near the same, except the pins are located differently. That's good. Okay, so I can tell them apart. It's got some dings on the bottom. Oh, now the center wheel, I think it's jeweled in the center. I thought it was just jeweled all the way up to the third wheel. But I think it's jeweled on the center wheel too, which surprises me. Oh, this wasn't that tight either. These screws look tiny. Maybe get another container. Yeah, I think I'll keep on going with the same. And do we have any pry points? I got a pry point over here. Let's see. Does it? I should have put one over here too. Let's see if it comes off nicely. No, it doesn't. Oh, this screw is still in there. I thought I unscrewed this screw. Yeah, I can feel it. I'm going to assume these screws are all the same. They're tiny screws. Why isn't this... Huh. See, sometimes they have some sort of thing on the end of this. It's like a cap or something. I don't see a cap. Let me look at that again. I didn't think I saw a cap on that. You know, like a little cap with a pin or something. I don't know why they do that. Let me borrow this. It is sort of like a cap. Yeah, damn it, the square post at the bottom. It's like a cap. And how do you get that off then? It's like a cap. I don't think I'm gonna get this off. Like, yeah, it's like a cap. Yeah, it's not gonna come off unless I take the cannon pinion off. Okay, well that's two things now. I gotta futz with this and then I have to do that. Let's keep on going. Oh, let's keep on going. Man, these screws are just freaking tiny. I can't even see from... And these screws don't match. I don't know if I have any spare screws like this. And the only screw left is that. Oh, now I can see the slot. Oh, I hate it when it slides out. Man, those aren't engaged too deeply, those threads. Oh, I keep on slipping. Oh, we got a little bit more. Can I get this up? Oh, it's gonna fight. I was trying to pick the whole thing up with the screws in it. But let's see, this one. Oh, there you go. Okay, there you go. I'll take off this bridge. Oh, yeah. Man, these screws aren't... See, this one's different too. Yeah, this has been futzed around with. This has been futzed around with. Well, that comes off nicely. Can I get this off? Or do I have to take the click off? I mean... Yeah, I probably gotta, unless I do this. Can I do this? Can I be lazy? No, it doesn't want me to be lazy. Oh wait, what happens if I, oh wait, I'm stupid. The ratchet wheel. The ratchet wheel has to come out. Silly me. How does that come out? Oh, how does that come out? I was hoping I could lift this whole thing out and just leave the center wheel in there, but it does not look like that's going to be possible. No, looks like you got to take the center wheel off to get the mainspring barrel. Let's see, is that... Yeah. Yeah, I gotta take this center wheel off. So I'm stuck now. I got this pivoted. I gotta get this out to take out the detent. And then I gotta take the cannon pinion off to get this stuff off. Well, anyway, I'm gonna do that. I gotta do that close-up magnification. I don't have the, I can't do it with the camera running, so maybe I'll attach it to this one. Just catch it, don't. Hope you enjoyed the program. Enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, and thank you for your cooperation. Okay, I'm back. Maybe I'll tack this at the end or make it separate. Anyway, so, well, I got the cannon pinion off and the center wheel so I could disassemble the whole thing like you see. I was able to do that. There's a jewel in here, as you can see, but there is no jewel in the plate. So, what can you do? This is the what is that? I don't know. This is the way they do this is different than the American ones. That's the center wheel. That's the cannon pinion. And this is on the back end. There's a little washer there, as you can see. There's a little washer. Make this quick. Yeah, it's a little washer. So what I had to do was grab onto this end of it and pull it out from the back. And when I did that, the cannon pinion came off of this piece, and then the whole thing I could take apart. I took the mainspring out. I don't know how to get this this barrel arbor off. Whoops! Oh yeah, and there's the detent. The part that was holding on to the one end of the spring there to make it do its thing. That was kind of like, I don't know, friction fit into the plate. So that smaller round thing. So I had to gingerly unwedge it, and then it came out, and then I could take everything out. So got this out. I can put it back in here. Yeah. Oh, and like I say, I don't know how to take that out, that arbor. Oh man, I thought maybe this thing was pressed on the ratchet wheel, but I tapped on it a little bit and it just didn't want to move. And it's hard to tell where it joins this ratchet wheel, the post. It almost looks like it's one piece. I don't know, man. I don't know. And I really don't want to... And I see the two holes there on the arbor, which makes me think that it unscrews, because why else would you put two holes on that for? To grip it and unscrew it. But I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can make something to put in those two holes and turn it, but I might get stuck leaving it together because I don't want to break it. And look how thin that is. That's pretty thin, so I mean I was pounding on it a little bit, but I was supporting it all the way in the barrel. I had I don't know what you'd call it. Really, it's a quill that we used to use in where I used to work. But I don't want to pound out and break it, so that's where I'm at. I just got to clean everything and then put it all together. There's the mainspring, like I said, blah blah blah. And that's where we stand. I'm going to investigate this a little bit more, and then if not, then I just have no choice but to leave it for now. Anyway, so again, thank you for your cooperation. I hope you enjoyed the program and enjoy the rest of your day.